self-entertaining cat toys can completely free your hands. A fun-filled spiral design paired with built-in springs that your cat will love. The snake head part has a built-in sound stone that emits a rustling sound to stimulate the cat's interest. A delicate and skin-friendly short plush surface. A highly interactive high-rebound spray. The plush fabric is non-toxic, odorless, and durable, resistant to biting. The thickened and widened sturdy base is resistant to shifting. Your cat won't feel bored even when home alone. This charming cactus design with hidden catnips isn't just a plaything. It's your cat's new best friend. But if your cat loves to burrow, there are more options available.